Hey guys, OnePlus 8 Pro is just a few days away. OnePlus 8 series will be launching on April 14th, which is not too far. Lots and lots of leaks are coming regarding the OnePlus 8 Pro as it's going to be the flagship device from OnePlus. Many users are curious about the OnePlus 8 Pro, and just recently an actual video sample shot using the OnePlus 8 Pro was shared online. Here's the actual video sample. This video is very crisp. It has a lot of details. One very important thing here is that this video is shot against the sunlight and still the face of the lady is clear and bright. So that is impressive. Usually when we are shooting against the sunlight, the video becomes dull or dark, which results in less details. But this video sample is very crisp with a lot of details, which is quite impressive. It seems that OnePlus is putting a lot of efforts in their camera algorithm and software. This video is one good example that OnePlus is trying hard to make their camera experience better. OnePlus 8 Pro will spot a quad camera setup. The primary sensor is a 48MP Sony IMX689 sensor, which will be the main wide-angle camera sensor with an f/1.78 aperture. The second one is again 48MP but a different sensor from the primary one. The second sensor will be a 48MP Sony IMX586 sensor, which will be an ultra wide angle camera with 120° field of view with an f/2.2 aperture. Third sensor will be an 8MP 3x optical and 30x digital zoom telephoto lens with an f/2.4 aperture, and a 5MP sensor used for recording additional color data according to WinFuture. The phone would also have a night portrait mode, 3 HDR video, cinematic effects and improved optical image stabilization. Apart from it, almost everything is now confirmed about the OnePlus 8 Pro. It will have a 6.78 inches QHD Plus display panel. It will be an AMOLED display panel. This display will be smooth 120Hz display panel. It will be powered by Snapdragon 865 SoC. It will come in two RAM variants, 8GB plus 128GB and 12GB plus 256GB. LPDDR5 RAM will be used here with UFS 3.0 storage. OnePlus 8 Pro will have 4510 mAh battery with 30W warp charge support. It will also be the first OnePlus smartphone to have wireless charging support. It will have 30W wireless charging and 3W reverse wireless charging support. It will also have IP68 water resistance certification. So with that, we're at the end of this video. So guys, if you found this video helpful, then like the video. If you didn't like it, you know what to do. If you have any questions regarding this topic, then feel free to ask them in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel as you leave, and also press that bell icon so that you will be the first one to watch my videos. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Raj and I will see you guys in my next video.